Alright, what's up? It's Big Deal. I drive a Kenworth T800. It's got 1,000 horses under the hood. You're looking at a 55-ton Fontaine trailer. It's got magnitude. And right now, we're on the way to pick up something really deep. Really deep in the middle of nowhere. In fact, the broker asked me, son, can you drive? And I said, I think I can. Alright, let's speed this up a little bit and put some cheesy synth 80s music to it. Yeah, brother, rock on. Oh yeah, you hear that shit? We're rocking real hard now. Let the real men do the work. Step aside, little bro. Alright, as we make our first turn into the middle of nowhere for the final descent. Oh, thank you, sir, for stepping aside because there's a big man coming, brother. Alright, let's get back to the rock. Alright, let's speed this up again though, brother. Ah, shit. That wasn't long enough at all. Hold on, let me get some more cheesy, uncopyrighted 90s, 80s synth music, brother. Dang, dude. This stuff actually kind of slaps, dude. Let me tell you something, brother. The trucks are coming, brother. The big trucks are coming, brother. And there's nothing you can do about it. You can hide, you can quiver in fear, but this big bad Kenworth's still gonna pull up on you, brother. And guess what? I'm gonna set these brakes at the J, brother. And all roller grill items are free and on me, brother. Again, it is so hard to find anything over a minute that is copyright free, brother. Is that a Ford Ranger? Sir, that is way more than 4 feet. Where's your red flag at? Anyways, carry on. Let's see what I can get next for you, brother. Let me tell you. And is this a river crossing? Am I going to the Frio River? The Guadalupe? No. I'm going in the middle of nowhere to get an excavator. And I don't even think I'm halfway there yet. I'm going. You know, I see why the broker said someone refused this load. In fact, a couple people did. I kind of wish we would ask for like an extra $500 or something like that. I mean, it's like, dang, dude. Like, it ain't hard to do this. I'm just saying. I mean, it's like, oh, dude, that must be one of those 500-acre ranches that all you owner-operators claim to own. Can't wait till I get mine, baby. All right, let's speed this up again. I'm gonna find another copyright-free song to enjoy, brother. Hold up, another river crossing? I'm just glad there wasn't another trucker because we'd have to get out and see who the bigger man was. Who's gonna go first, brother? I won't back down. Well, what do you know? Another little guy. Thank you for your service, little bro. The space is much appreciated. Thank you.
I was a DJ, because then I would just loop the song. But I don't know how to do that, brother. And here we go again. Turning and turning and driving and driving. At this point, I actually might just be lost. Here I go, the last turn that my global positioning system is telling me to take. At this point, I'm about 1 mile from the job site, the shipper, the deliverer, whatever you want to call him. The guy with the big fat load. I tell you what, at this point, go ahead and like or follow or something. And I'll do part 2, brother. Let's close this out, brother. I'll give you part 2 tomorrow.